This ring was a disaster. I had no silver left, so I took apart an old belt buckle that I made. It's made from 6mm half round wire and 4mm round. I had 4 pieces of half round wire, so after I took it apart I soldered the small bits to the large ones. I cut the ends off, then I soldered the 2 pieces that I just created together. I tried to film as making the piece round, but I couldn't get it because I had to go on the floor to film it because that's where my anvil was. I soldered the ring together and tried to make it round, but I had to do it on the floor again. I then filed the top of the ring just to give it a bit more detail. I then added the piece of round to the top, and I started by tapering the ends, then bending it round. After soldering the second bit on, I put it in the acid to remove any oxides. There were still oxides on the ring, so I had to use a brass brush to get rid of them. I did do some more file work, but I moved my workshop around and I put the camera on the wrong side, so I am going to change that around so you can actually see what I'm doing, because my hand's just in the way. The last thing I did was polished it up and attached my camera to my visor, so this is pretty much what I say when I'm polishing. This was it. I hope you enjoyed. I am going to move my camera around so you can actually see what I'm doing, and I did change my workshop around so the lighting should be better. But if you did like, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you shortly.